Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup files with iDrive for Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, download and install iDrive for Windows from the official website. Once the installation is complete, launch the iDrive application. You'll see the option to sign up for an account or log in if you already have one. If you're a new user, click on Sign Up and provide the required details. After signing up, verify your email address to activate your account. Return to the iDrive application and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the backup option in the left menu. Click on Backup to reveal your backup options. Select Files to choose specific files or folders you want to backup. You can either browse your computer or drag and drop files into the iDrive backup window. After selecting your files, click on the Backup Now button. iDrive will begin the backup process, showing you the progress on the screen. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. Next, navigate to the Restore section if you need to recover your files. Select Restore to access the files backed up on iDrive. You can search for specific files or browse through the folders. Select the files you wish to restore and click on the Restore button. Choose a destination folder on your computer for the restored files. After choosing the destination, click OK to initiate the restore process. Once the restoration is finished, you'll receive a notification. Regularly check your backup settings to ensure all new files are included. You can set up a scheduled backup to automate the process. In the settings, find the Scheduler option and define your preferred backup frequency. This will help keep your data secure without manual intervention. Lastly, remember to monitor your storage space in your iDrive account. Regular backups protect your valuable files from loss or corruption. With these steps, you're now equipped to easily backup your files using iDrive for Windows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.